Nowadays, there are several methods to make money online. What if I told you that you could make money just by reading words? Okay, so in today's video, I'll show you how to make anywhere from $200 to over $1,000 by simply reading words online. First and foremost, the approach I'll be teaching you is completely free, and it is available globally, so you can practice it anywhere you are on the globe. Second, you may start making money after watching this video because I'll show you how to accomplish it step by step. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell, so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first to learn how to make money online. Let's go straight into the video. Before I show you the methods, I want you to have a look at them. This is your potential earnings from this website. As you can see, you can make up to $249 with just 0 to 2 minutes of work, and you can even earn over $1,000 with just 30 to 45 minutes of effort. Stay attentive and watch till the end because I'll show you simply how it works. Don't skip any portion of this video or you'll lose out on important information. So I want you to pay attention and follow my instructions so that you may earn and possibly even double your money. First, go to voices.com. Once you get to this website, this is exactly how it looks. As you can see, the voices here are utilized by some of the world's most trusted companies, including Spotify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles, Timespell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and many others. So this website is legitimate. They pay out to individuals every day, and you will get all money by PayPal, check, or bank transfer. There are also alternative payment options available, so you don't have to be concerned. Basically, there will be a lot of various categories and projects accessible for you on this website, and I will also advise you on which area you should select in order to make the most money. Once you've chosen your preferred project, you'll be given a script or a template with all of the words you'll be reading. You must record your voice, and they will pay you according to the length of the project. You may do it in less than 2 minutes, or you can do it in 15 minutes. What I like about this website is that it provides you with a large number of options of jobs to choose from. Every day, there are several job posts, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now you may be wondering, what if I don't have a microphone? You don't need a professional microphone, so how am I meant to do this well? You may either utilize the microphone on your phone or use headphones with a microphone. You can do this using your iPhone or Android mobile, and you can record your voice with these devices. You don't need to invest in a high-end condenser microphone. They will just want your voice for their projects, and you will not be required to write anything. All we need to do is speak and read the screenplay that they will provide us, so that is all you will require. So the first step is for you to sign up. To sign up, I want you to click on this sign up button that will be showing on your screen at the top right corner. Activate the sign up button by clicking on it. We shall arrive on this page after pressing the button. They will be asking us whether we want to hire talent or want to work as a talent. We must choose the obvious in order to find work as a talent. Then we'll be redirected to this page, where you must register as an actor. As a result, you must provide your complete name, email address, and password, as well as agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. If you want a simple method to join up, simply follow the Google sign-up procedure. So, after signing up for an account, you will have a variety of industries in your dashboard from which to pick. Advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit publishing, technology, and video creation are all available here. So I'll show you which category will offer us the most money and which job is acceptable for any novice. So the categories that will provide you a lot of money and possibilities are education, advertising, and gaming, which will probably give you the most money. So I want you to emphasize education, advertising, and gaming since these are the top 3 sectors with the most employment and the highest income. For example, if you select education, you may watch a variety of different voice actors right here. There are male and female voice actors working with voices.com right now, and they get paid every time someone hires them to do a voiceover. You don't have to worry since there are many choices here and you can choose whatever you want and earn money just by reading those scripts and phrases and depending on the hours you work. Once you've begun and set up your account, you may go to your open jobs and locate different jobs online that are hiring right now. As you can see, they pay more than $200, and there are a lot of jobs right here. Just scroll down below, and you'll find that there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. All you have to do is browse or do whatever you want here and give it a go. So even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you're doing, you can do this because it's there on your app or Play Store. All you have to do is read the script or whatever script they'll provide you. That's all there is to it. You'll make money simply by reading words. If you want to make more money online, watch the videos that are showing on your screen right now. Hit like, share, And subscribe for more money making videos on regular basis. I will meet you with another video. Till then, keep hustling.